Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take long screenshots or how we can capture the scrolling screenshots on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let me actually open the Google app as we can scroll through the news articles over here. So now we need to simply take the screenshot the usual way. So you can use, for instance, the volume down and power button at the same time. So if you press it, there we go. Then you will take the screenshot. And now over here, we have this button with two arrows down. And if you press it, then you will scroll down and capture even more. Once you are done, you can simply, for instance, tap on the screenshot on the left side and open it, let's say in gallery, to see how it looks like. You can also zoom in. Let's actually close this. We don't need this information. And you can keep scrolling, I guess, or not really. So we can zoom in, I guess, and then scroll. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. You can take the screenshot the same way as usual, but the difference is if the page that you're looking at is scrollable, then you will also have these two arrows that I showed you before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.